Rockford homeowners are no strangers to everyday noise, from traffic and neighborhood activity to seasonal storms and wind. While noise may seem like an unavoidable part of daily life, many homeowners are surprised to learn how much of it enters through outdated or poorly sealed windows. One upgrade that delivers more benefits than most people expect is installing noise-reducing slider windows. Beyond their sleek appearance and easy operation, these windows quietly transform the comfort of Rockford homes in several important ways. Here are the hidden benefits Rockford homeowners enjoy when upgrading to modern, noise-reducing slider windows. A quieter home that feels instantly more relaxing. One of the most noticeable changes after upgrading slider windows is the reduction in outside noise. Modern slider windows use multi-pane glass and tight seals that disrupt sound waves before they reach the interior. This means less traffic noise from nearby roads, reduced disturbance from neighbors or outdoor activity, quieter mornings, and more restful evenings for Rockford families. This creates a calmer environment that supports relaxation, focus, and better sleep. Multi-pane glass does more than block sound. Noise reducing slider windows typically feature double or triple pane glass. While these panes are excellent at limiting sound transmission, they also provide added insulation. Homeowners benefit from more consistent indoor temperatures, reduced drafts during cold Rockford winters, less heat transfer during warm summer months. The same technology that blocks noise also improves energy efficiency, making comfort quieter and more cost-effective. Tight seals eliminate drafts and air leaks. Older windows often allow sound to enter through small gaps rather than the glass itself. Modern slider windows are engineered with precision-fitted frames and interlocking sashes that close tightly. These features block noise carried by moving air, reduce cold drafts in winter, prevent rattling during windy conditions by sealing out air movement. Slider windows help create a quieter and more stable indoor environment. Vinyl frames help absorb sound naturally. Many noise-reducing slider windows are built with vinyl frames, which naturally dampen sound vibrations better than some other materials. Instead of transferring noise, vinyl helps absorb it. This results in reduced vibration from outdoor noise, less echo and resonance indoors, improved overall sound insulation for Rockford homeowners. This subtle benefit adds to the feeling of peace and privacy throughout the home. Improved comfort without sacrificing natural light. Slider windows are known for their wide glass panels, which allow plenty of daylight into living spaces. Modern designs balance this openness with advanced glass technology that controls sound and temperature. Homeowners enjoy bright, welcoming interiors, clear outdoor views, noise reduction without darkening rooms. This makes slider windows ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and home offices where light and quiet both matter. Smoother operation encourages better ventilation because slider windows glide horizontally and require minimal effort to open. Homeowners are more likely to use them regularly. This allows for fresh air during mild Rockford weather without compromising comfort. Benefits include better indoor air circulation, reduced indoor stuffiness, improved comfort during spring and fall when closed. The windows seal tightly, keeping noise out when quiet is needed most. Long-term value beyond noise reduction. While the immediate benefit is a quieter home, noise-reducing slider windows offer lasting value that goes beyond sound control. Additional long-term benefits include lower energy bills, reduced wear on HVAC systems, increased home value, improved resale appeal. Buyers appreciate homes that feel peaceful, efficient, and well-maintained. Professional installation maximizes results. To fully experience the noise-reducing benefits, proper installation is essential. Professional installation ensures precise alignment of frames and tracks, complete insulation around the window opening, secure sealing that blocks air and sound leaks. This step ensures the windows perform as designed for years to come. A quieter, more comfortable Rockford home. Upgrading to noise-reducing slider windows offers Rockford homeowners more than just reduced sound. It delivers improved comfort, energy efficiency, and everyday peace of mind. By blocking noise, eliminating drafts, and maintaining bright, open living spaces, these windows quietly enhance how a home feels and functions. If you're looking to create a calmer, more comfortable living environment. Noise-reducing slider windows are a smart upgrade that delivers benefits you'll appreciate every day.